Hey, it's Kayla. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a Dollar Tree makeup kind of haul video. I don't really know what to call this because it's not really like a makeup haul, but it's also not like a full face of Dollar Tree makeup. It's more of like essential makeup tutorial for the Dollar Tree. So I'm just going to show you I got a bunch of stuff. I kind of went in as if it would be like what I would just wear. So it's not a full face, but it's not like not enough to do your makeup. So going into the store, my ideal like cost was around $25. I got all of this stuff plus more in the bag, and I don't know if I have the receipt with me, but it ended up being like right around $25, which was like perfect because I just didn't try. Then I just started picking stuff. I got anxious. There was a worker in the aisle and she like just kept coughing next to me. Like I don't think she liked that I took a while in the aisle. So yeah, let's just start going through it all. I genuinely don't remember what I got because I got it a while ago. I know I did have trouble getting certain shades though, so that did tend to be like a big issue, I know. I just tried my best to make sure I got products that I genuinely would use and isn't just like Dollar Tree makeup and it's stuff that I don't use. So starting off, I did not get any moisturizers, so I'm not gonna have like a Dollar Tree moisturizer to use to start off. There is no primer in sight, so we're not using a primer. I got this foundation. I'm not sure if I can use it because it seems kind of dark for me. This is the Candy Moyo moisturizing foundation. I mean, I guess it's not like a horrible match. Okay, so I know somebody commented on my last video and they were like, don't use sponges. I use sponges though. I like hate using brushes. So I will continue to use sponges. I thought these were really cute though. These are finger makeup sponges. I want to try these out. And they're latex free for my people that always comment that they are allergic to latex. I'm gonna go with the purple one, obviously. Do I just like spray it then, I'm guessing? I'd imagine, right? So we're gonna take a little sponge and I'm gonna take our foundation on the back of my hand. We're just gonna try this. I feel like this is not what it's for, but I don't care, honestly. Seems like it's working. I don't know if they had any actual like sponges there. This honestly doesn't look that bad though. I thought it was gonna be like red toned underneath. Or just like not my shade at all. Like, why is it actually working? It just feels weird. Let me switch to my middle finger maybe. Looks like I broke my finger and I'm trying to do my makeup with it. Okay, but why does that look not too bad? Like, I know I look kind of pale, but like I also kind of look pale anyway, so like it's not that bad. Then I got, this is essentially ageless. It's like this Be Pure brand concealer. I thought the same thing. I thought this was going to be a little too dark. It is a hydrating serum concealer, sorry. I feel like something smells weird, but like I don't know if it was the sponge or like the foundation. This is the concealer. It looks like it is going to be too dark though. It's like not my shade. So we're going to be skipping concealer. Ideally, I would use that one though. It feels like it would blend. Okay. So that would be our concealer, but we're going to skip that. So I think I'm just going to go back in with a tiny bit more of the foundation. That's the only thing, is I know that's like a general problem though. Like they don't have a ton of shades, obviously. Next, we're going to go in. I know I had one of these. I just don't know what happened to it. So I got another one. It's the LA Colors Contour Stick. So we're just going to go in. I don't know if this is dark enough. It's going to add a bunch and hope that it works out. It's like totally around the crayon down. It's just a little too light. It's a little red, but like I also can't tell if that's just like my face. I think it's just reddish. Also ignore my hands. They're like totally dried out looking and they're like purple stained, so that also does not help. Next, I got these bronzer drops. I've never used anything like this before. This is that Be Pure brand. It says it's with cocoa extract, shea butter, and vitamin E. The way it explains it though, it seems like it's contour. I'm honestly surprised it looks good because I feel like last time when I used the products, it did not work out, but I think I had a different kind of foundation that just did not work. Either that or maybe like my skin was dry or something. It's kind of cute little bottle. Do I just pop the top off or is it like... Oh, it twists off. Okay, so it's kind of... Do I just like... Oh, that's really dark. Hold on, that's like stressing me out. Very shiny. I'm pretty sure it literally just explained it like it was contour. Yeah, so I'm just gonna do that, I guess. I don't want to put too much, but I don't want it to be over bronze, you know? Could you imagine this works really nice and I like add it in? Although it's kind of shimmery, I don't know how I feel about that. See what it looks like. I feel like I'm not blending it right. And then I had too much on the other side, maybe. It doesn't look good on camera at all. Oh my god. Wait, I looked in the wrong monitor. That's okay, we'll go back over it. Did I get any setting powder? Because I don't think they had any. Oh my god, that looks so bad. Oh my god, don't get these. We're gonna go back in with the foundation and we're gonna blend that out a lot better because that's scary looking. Okay, maybe I was just irritating it because it doesn't look as bad now in my head. I will say though, I used to, when I started wearing makeup, I got stuff from the Family Dollar and I know it like definitely broke me out. And this does not give the same feeling that that foundation and stuff did. Like it felt super cakey and like heavy and kind of smelled weird. So this foundation honestly doesn't seem that bad if you're starting out and like your parents won't let you like spend a lot of money or you just like don't want to waste a lot of money. Maybe avoid the bronzer drops, I don't know. Okay, so next we're gonna go in for brows. I have the LA Colors brow pencil. I just got like a general one, nothing fancy, although I don't think they had anything fancy. I got medium brown. It might be a little light, but I'm not sure. This big old pencil here. I just can't give much brow advice because I don't have to like really worry about mine. Not to whatever, but pretty full already. Kind of just cross my fingers and hope it looks good. Then I have two options that I got for lips. I have this, I think I'm gonna use both. I have a Shea Butter lipstick from the brand Ioni. It's the one that I usually use the lashes from. And then I also got this moisturizing lip gloss from LA Colors. So I think I'm gonna go in with the Shea Butter lipstick. Oh my god, it looks like a heart. How cute. I'm gonna make sure it's covered and then I'm gonna brush it off a little bit. Not a huge fan of how that feels. I mean, it's not horrible, but it's also like hard. I don't wear lipstick that much. I feel like it's not, I don't know if it's on right. It's too vibrant. Like right now, I feel like it's too vibrant, even though I just wiped half of it off. And then next I'm gonna go in with the lip gloss. We'll see, I don't know how I feel about it. I got eyeshadow, I just said I don't usually wear eyeshadow. So they had these really cute, there's like this little cat theme they had going on. These are the Hey There Purdy Kitty eyeshadows they had. I couldn't pick, so I just got them all. I'm gonna go with this pink one to kind of match the lip that we have going on. So we're gonna take this one, and then I honestly don't know what I want to do. I have these two eyeshadow brushes. They're both from the Sassy and Chic brand. I also have one like previously that I got that has like sprinkles on the handle, I think. I got this big fluffy brush. It's probably not ideal to do this, but I'm just gonna go in with this medium pink shade right here in my crease, I guess, or yeah, in my crease. And blend that out. I am not an eyeshadow pro, so like don't judge me on this. And then I'm gonna take this lighter shade and go and take on the front of my lid here. Kind of blend it in. Then I'm just gonna take this like brownish shade and put it in my outer corner lightly. And then I'm gonna take my ring finger and take this shimmery pink and go over my lid with it. With the collection, they also have I've Got My Cat Eye on You. It's actually kind of cute. It has a little cat face on the top. I don't know if you can see that. And it has like the paw prints going down the side. I'm just gonna take that and do like a very, very, very subtle wing. Is that very subtle? I need to redo that, actually. Okay, so it's not perfect, but it's a lot better than it was. That like will not come off. I tried to get it off like with some saline and like water because I don't have any makeup wipes near me. Anyway, more Day of the Dead Sugar Skull ones from Ioni. These ones are Yolanda. And then I also got the LA Colors Dramatilash in Demure. I'm feeling like we should use the Demure one just because, but also, yeah, maybe we'll use those ones actually. And then I thought it was pretty cool. I didn't see this before. Ioni has a big lash glue bottle. So I got that. I'm gonna see how it works. I like that it's a little brush. Okay, but why was that so easy? Like the lash glue's actually sticky and you don't have to like play with it. Hold on. Game changer. This would be perfect for anyone that wants to do the yarn trend. Maybe not safest, but it right away sticks. You have a whole bottle. $1.25, I think. Although I feel this is gonna be a nightmare to get out of my actual lashes because I just got it on my lash. Stuck to my finger. I feel like the lashes look pretty good. I feel like they look weird though. I feel like I kind of messed the liner up behind them. Then for mascara, I got full volume mascara in the brand Le Mercier. I don't know how to say that. It looks kind of thick. I don't know how I feel about this one. I want to take eyeshadow and go underneath my eye. I got this little brush. I think it's supposed to be like a flat brush where you like paint it on. Taking that darker shade of the pink on the outer part. And I'm mixing the shiny one with the lighter shade. And I'm just gonna take my pinky and take the shiny one right here. I wish I had a setting powder. Okay, well I think that is the final look. I will zoom you in a little bit. Okay, so I feel like this is a better visual of how it looks. I don't think it looks too bad on my skin texture-wise. Obviously, I have like my actual texture and stuff. But like the foundation really seems like a decent foundation if you want to use it to like start out learning how to do makeup. The lipstick and the lip gloss are good too. I like the eyeshadow. I don't have any issue with anything. Like if you told me you got me all the stuff at Walmart, I would probably believe you. I mean, I'm having issues with the lashes. The liner does not come off, so ignore that. But aside from that, yeah, I'm pretty happy. I would wear this out of the house. But yeah, that is the final look. I think you should try these out. I don't know if I would recommend the bronzer drops as much. I mean, you could get them and then just like try them in small amounts. Let me know what some of your favorite Dollar Tree makeup products are if you'd like to check them out. Mine would be the Ioni lashes because I always get them. Highly recommend you get the Ioni lash glue though. It was super easy to apply them with that. I did not know they had one before this. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content from me. I make makeup and makeup related videos. I play video games and I also sprinkle in a couple little baking videos occasionally. Comment down below any other stores you want me to get makeup from or any kind of makeup related videos you want me to do. I was thinking earlier I could do like a drugstore haul and then I was like, wait, I literally just use drugstore makeup. So let me know if you want me to do that, if you want me to do like a full face of Maybelline makeup, any kind of full face of brands, any kind of anything that you have in mind or anything at all. Thanks for watching.